Yeah guys, good evening, welcome back to our design studios. This is Don's Graphics here. We understand that most often we face the difficulty of having the best background removal app to remove the background of our images, so much so that we get so worried and so exhausted whenever clients send their images to us. Sometimes all you need is just the idea. Okay, you just need the idea, and that is why at the end of the day you'll be smiling after watching this tutorial, because it's going to show you the perfect kind of application that you need in order to remove the background of all your images, and most importantly without affecting the quality of the image. So the quality of image remains intact after using this application. You surely don't want to miss this, and that is why I'm inviting you to stay with us, subscribe to the channel, and follow us along as I bring to you the best background remover app that you will use, and it will not affect the quality of your images. So guys, let's dive into the tutorial. Okay guys, so as promised, I'll be showing you now the application that you can use to remove the background of your image without reducing the quality in any way of that image. This is because when you use other background remover tools like the remove.bg, it tends to reduce the quality of your image, therefore making your designs very much unappreciable. So that is why today I'll be showing you now the application that I use to remove the background of my images without affecting the image quality. So if you are an Android user, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store, but if you are using iPhone, kindly log to your App Store and you begin to search for the name of the application. So the application we are using is Photoroom. Hey, I know it's so common out there, right? I know most of you know about Photoroom, but wait until I tell you how I use it. So Photoroom is the name of the application, and I'm going to search it. We're searching, and the search, sometimes it depends on how fast you are connected. So this is my Photoroom. As you can see, I already have the application. All they're asking me to do is to update it. So it is a powerful application that has over 50 million downloads. You can see the statistics on your Google Play. All I need to do is just to update it. I'll wait for Play Protect to update it for me, and once it is done updating, and I will be logging into the application to start working you out on how you can remove the background of images and you don't affect the HD quality of the images. This is because sometimes you have very nice images, and at the end of the day you see that the final image that you have after removing the background is not the kind of image that you had before. This is particularly the work of applications like the remove.bg application, which is very famous for reducing the quality of images. So this tutorial is a must watch for you, and there is no reason why you should tune out the tutorial. Please kindly continue watching, and as you watch the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the tutorial, and share it out with other people suffering from this kind of problem of background removal. So let's wait for the background for the application to update. It's hanging on my network, sorry. So let's wait on that. Sorry guys. Okay, so once you discover that your application is done updating, this is if you already had it before, but if you are downloading it for the first time, all you need to do once it is done downloading is just to click on open. Okay, so I know that most of us will face the problem of the problem of watermark, because this application has a watermark. All right, it has a watermark that prevents us from exporting our work, but don't worry, I will show you how to deal with this problem. So once you open the Photoroom application, this is how it appears basically, and what you can do, where you can start, is normally to click on this. If you want to remove the background of any element, you click on this transparent. Okay, so you just need to click on transparent and you select the image. Okay, so I will bring in any image here. For example, I want to remove the background of this image. So just wait, it is scanning, and in a moment it's going to remove the background. Awesome. So the advantage of Photoroom is that it removes the background without affecting the quality of the image, and that is just what we want. So after achieving this, here is a watermark. This is because we are using the application for free. So how do you deal with this problem? Normally when you download this image with this watermark, you will not be able to use it for your design. So that is the purpose of this tutorial right now. I will show you how you can solve this problem with ease. Okay, so here what you need to do is to click on the image. Make sure that you have clicked on your image. As you can see, it's moving. Then minimize it. Carefully minimize the image and shift it away from the watermark. Can you see that? Then you click here on this share button. There is a share button right up here. So you click on the share button, and you see, for you to remove the watermark, you have to go to the Pro, which is actually a paid version of Photoroom. But since we have avoided that, all you need to do now is just to click on your save to gallery, and this background is going to be saved to your gallery. Let's go check and see. So I'll go now to my gallery and see if we have succeeded with that. So right here, this is the work. As you can see, the image quality is intact. See, everything is perfect. If you do the same background remover on the remove.bg, you are going to face a lot of problems because remove.bg reduces the quality of images. I don't know why, but it has a problem with fixing images and finishing touches. So now you can see that right here below we have a Photoroom watermark. How do you now remove this watermark from your work? Okay, if you are someone who is using mobile design applications like the Pixel app, all you need to do is to go now to your Pixel app. Let's launch our Pixel app. For example, I'm going to launch my Pixel app. Oh, this is an old work. Let me just go to the new page. Good. Then I delete this text and I'm going to import now the image. So I'm going to click here. Let me just change the background color to black so that we see what we are doing. All right, now go to import, and this is the work. This is where you crop out the watermark of Photoroom. So just crop it out, carefully crop it out. Can you see that? And now boom, you have your image. Everything is intact, the watermark is gone, and the image quality remains the same. Let's check the original image. You see the differences. It's very clear. So this is a background already removed, and of course you have the old image. Let's say the old image is here, the first image with a background. So this is how you can remove the background of images using your Photoroom application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give a thumbs up to the tutorial, like the tutorial, subscribe to the channel, and above all, share the tutorial to your friends also who are having this problem of removing the background of our images. Until next tutorial, stay blessed, subscribe to the channel. We love you all.